Are you guys ready? Let's get serious to make monster meatballs. สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hungry Thai Food. Today I will show you guys how to make monster meatballs. 9.71 pounds with ground beef. I don't make it often, and then why? So I call it monster meatballs. And put seasoning in the eggs. Put garlic salt, 3 tablespoons, black pepper or ground black pepper, red crunches pepper, mix together. Look at this. Naughty ingredient is Parmesan cheese, about 3 tablespoons. So I will dump in here first in the meat, like a make-up for my ground beef. And then I have another hand-selected Parmesan. So I will put on top here. We use beautiful hand and clean and beautiful hand to make massage to the meat. Let's get dirty. Smells so good. I love the spices and cheese mixed together with meat to make good flavor for monster meatballs. So my monster meatball will be this size. Look, you think is it big enough? My face is bigger than meatballs. Naughty. So naughty. Get spanking. Sounds good. So big. There is 9/11. I feel sorry. People lost their family member. I remember when I heard about this news, I was in library in university in Bangkok. It's very sad. Got 4 monster meatball now. I I am an expert. Trust me.